एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बेंचमार्क स्टडी। आज हम करने वाले हैं मैराथन सीरीज का पार्ट 7 फॉर द कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस। अगर आपने इसके पहले के लेक्चर्स नहीं देखे हैं तो मैंने इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है, आप जाके चेक कर लीजिए। सो स्टार्ट विद दिस सेशन। Question number 1 is which of the following is a program that uses a variety of different approaches to identify and eliminate spam? So here answer is option number A, that is anti-spam program. Now question number 2 is when data changes in a multiple list and all lists are not updated, this cause. So it causes the data inconsistency. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 3 is to change selected text to all capital letters, click the change case button, then click dash. Then what we will click? That is option number D. हम click करेंगे upper case. Question number 4 is reusable optical storage will typically have a acronym. उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? That is RW. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 5 is to access properties of an object, the mouse technique to use is. So mouse technique हम use करते हैं यहाँ पे option number B, that is right click. Question number 6 is dash are attempts by individuals to obtain confidential information from you by falsifying their identity. So here answer is option number D, that is इसे कहा जाता है phishing scams. Question number 7 is why it is unethical to share copyright file with your friends? Because जो आपकी जब आप शेयर करते हो कॉपीराइटेड फाइल्स विदाउट परमिशन तो क्या होता है, यहाँ पे कॉपीराइट लॉ जो होता है वो ब्रेक होता है, तो इस वजह से ये एथिकल अनएथिकल कहलाता है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी आपका क्या हुआ? करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज द डिफॉल्ट व्यू इन एक्सेल इज अ डैश व्यू. सो डिफॉल्ट व्यू आपका क्या होता है? नॉर्मल व्यू. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 9 is you can dash a search by providing more information to search engine that can be used to select a smaller, more useful set of results. So here answer is option number A, that is हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं? Refine कर सकते हैं. Question number 10 is in Word you can force a page break dash. So आप force कर सकते हो page break को by positioning your cursor at the appropriate place and press Ctrl plus Enter. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 11 is grouping and processing all of a firm transaction at one time is called. So इसे बोलते हैं हम batch processing. So option number B is the right answer. Question number 12 is help menu is available at which button? So help menu आपका available होता है at the start button. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 13 is the simultaneous processing of two or more programs by multiple processor is dash. So इसे बोला जाता है आपका मल्टी प्रोसेसिंग. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज a disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that can't be changed or erased by the user. So it is known as your read only. So option number E is the correct answer. Question number 5 is you can keep your personal files folders in dash. So आप इसे रख सकते हो in the my document. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 16 is when you save to this your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. So here answer is option number C, that is secondary storage device. Question number 17 is dash shows the files, folder and drives on your computer, making it easy to navigate from one location to another within the file hierarchy. So here answer is option number B, that is Windows Explorer. Question number 18 is which of the following is contained on chips connected to the system board and is a holding area for the data instruction and information. So here answer is option number B, that is it is known as your memory. Question number 19 is to reload a web page press the dash button. So you have to press the refresh button. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 20 is mobile commerce is best described as. So it is described as by buying and selling goods and services through wireless handheld devices. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 21 is a video processor consists of dash and dash which store and process images. So it is known as VGA and memory. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 22 is The main circuit board of the system unit is the dash. So main circuit board आपका होता है motherboard. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 23 is what is the main folder on a storage device called? So main folder जो आपका होता है it is known as your root directory. So option number A is the correct answer. Question number 24 is a file is often referred as, बहुत easy question है, फाइल को आप डॉक्यूमेंट भी बोलते हो, तो ऑप्शन नंबर E is the correct answer. Question number 25 is compiling creates a dash. So compiling creates a executable program, so option number E is the correct answer. Question number 26 is a complete electronic circuit with transistor and other electronics component on a small silicon chip is called a dash. So इसे हम बोलते हैं आपका integrated circuit. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 27 is which of the following software applications would be most appropriate for performing numerical and statistical calculation? So here answer is option number D. इसे हम कहते हैं spreadsheet. Question number 28 is removing and replacing devices without turning off your computer is referred to dash. So इसे बोला जाता है hot swapping. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 29 is a collection of interrelated records is called a dash. So इसे बोला जाता है database. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 30 is computer and communication technologies such as communication links to the internet that provide help and understanding to the end user is known as. So इसका आंसर आप लोग मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओगे, ठीक है? So मिलेंगे आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. Till then take care and have a nice day and all the best for your preparations. अगर आपके कुछ फीडबैक है तो आप मेल कर सकते हो हमें benchmarkstudy007@gmail.com पे. एंड इस लेक्चर के PDF के लिए आप हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हो जो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उसका लिंक मिल जाएगा. सो गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.